hello children, today we are going to start chapter 10, that is the land of culture and customs. So in this chapter we will study about Indian culture, religious culture, festival, clothing, language, dance and drama, music and Mahakumbh and ancient tradition. So let's introduce about the chapter of Indian culture. As you all know, Indian culture as well as heritage, these all are characterized by their immense richness, diversity and long history, spanning several millennia. Rooted in the ancient Indus Valley civilization and influenced by various religions, migration and tradition, जो इंडिया है वो क्या बूस्ट करता है? मल्टीफेसेड आइडेंटिटी. So we have religion, religious culture. India is considered to be the land of religion. Religious tradition are a part of parcel of our life. So in our country, followers of different religion live peacefully, and most of the people do not interrupt in other religion. In India is considered to be the birthplace of many religions such as Hinduism, Jainism, Buddhism, Sikhism. All four religions are based on dharma and karma. Ahimsa, philosophy of non-violence, is important. So other than Indian origin religion, foreign origin religion, we have what? Judaism, we have Zuaidism, Christianity, Islam, Zoroastrianism, and Baha'i faith also have their own religion. So as you all know, India culture has been influenced by dharmic religion and influenced by East South Asia, Asian culture and the ancient, shaping much of Indian philosophy, literature, architecture. Greater Indian was historical extent of Indian culture beyond Indian subcontinent. India is a birthplace of, India क्या है? Birthplace है Hinduism की, Buddhism की, Jain की, Sikh की, and other religion. We collectively call them Indian religion. Today Hinduism and Buddhism are world's third and the fourth largest religions respectively. India is one of the most religious and ethnically diverse nation in the world with some of the deeply religious society and culture. Religion जो है एक central role play करता है और definitive role play करता है in the lives of many people. We have festival. Indian being multicultural and multi-ethnic and multi-religious society, ये celebrate करता है holidays and festival of various religion. We have Independence Day, Republic Day and Gandhi Jayanti. ये क्या है? ये national festival है. These are the festival which is celebrated by the people of India. Right, popular religion festival कौन-कौन सा आता है? That is छठ, नवरात्रि, जन्माष्टमी, दिवाली, महाशिवरात्रि, गणेश चतुर्थी, दुर्गा पूजा, होली, रथ यात्रा, उगाड़ी, वसंत पंचमी, रक्षाबंधन, दशहरा. Other than this religious festival, we have several harvest festivals जिसमें आपकी मकर संक्रांति आती है, सोराई आती है, हॉर्नबिल आती है, पोंगल आती है और ओणम आती है. So we all celebrate a variety of festival due to large diversity of India, and many religious festival like Diwali, Eid, Christmas and Guru Parv are celebrated. Clothing की बात करें, traditional clothing are worn in Indian greatly varies from across the different parts of country. Influenced by local culture, geography, climate, rural, urban settings, popular styles of dress include what? Draped garments, जैसे आपकी साड़ी हो गई या फिर मेखाला, सेडोर ऑफ वुमेन, कुर्ता, लुंगी, पंछेल. इंडियन वुमेन टू contemplate with outfit, जिसका बिंदी का यूज करते हैं, मेहंदी का, इयररिंग्स का, बैंगल्स का. We have stitch version of include kurta pajama, European style trouser. So let's talk about language. So languages are the part and parcel of everyday life. We all conserve with other one or other language. India is blessed to have been a country of diverse language. We have Rig Vedic Sanskrit, one of the oldest attestation of an Indo-Aryan language and one of the earliest attested member of the Indo-European language. The discovery of Sanskrit by early European explorer India led to the development of contemporary philosophy. So अगर तमिल की बात करें, major classical language है and it has been descended from Proto-Dravidian language, right, which is spoken in 3rd millennium BC. An inscription of Tamil on potter has this dated back. So we have thousands of years and earliest epigraphic records found from the date around what 3rd century. So evaluation कैसा होता language का within India may be distinguished over 3 periods: old, middle, modern. During this Vedic period, old Sanskrit language was of the society. जैसे-जैसे time का passage हुआ, it was replaced by Prakrita, Pali, and Prakrit language of Jain philosopher were Pali was language of early Buddhist and Ashoka era. Final stage पे हम बात करें, अगर middle Indo-Aryans की, a new language called Apabhasha came into existence and it was a blend of previously spoken language. Apabhasha that flowered into Hindi, Gujarati, Bengali, Marathi, Punjabi, and all these Indian language have roots in their structure and other European language we have in India, that is 3000 year old. So we have epic. We have Ramayana and Mahabharata. Ramayana और Mahabharata oldest preserved और well known epic है. रामायण में आपके 24,000 वर्सेस हैं इन 7 बुक्स एंड 500 कैंटोन जो आपको स्टोरी बताते हैं राम की, whose wife was सीता and it wasn't Damon king of लंका रावण. जो अर्लीस्ट पार्ट है महाभारत का टेक्स्ट का, that is 400 BC, है estimated to reach from the early Gupta period. With these great Indian epics, there were 5 great epics of Tamil literature, right? जिसमें आपके मणि मेघलाई, चिवाका, चिंतामणि, शिल्पादिकरम, वाल्यापति एंड कुलदेशी. डांस एंड ड्रामा की बात करें, डांसेस और ड्रामा जो है यार परफॉर्मिंग आर्ट जो एक इंटीग्रल पार्ट ऑफ कल्चर पे करते हैं. इंडिया डांस इंक्लूड 8 क्लासिकल डांस फॉर्म. वी हैव भरतनाट्यम जो तमिलनाडु में है, कथक उत्तर प्रदेश, कथकली मोहिनीअट्टम ऑफ केरला, कुचिपुड़ी ऑफ आंध्र प्रदेश, यक्षगाना ऑफ केरला और मणिपुरी ऑफ मणिपुर, उड़ीसी ऑफ उड़ीसा एंड सत्यारी ऑफ असम. So in addition to these classical dance form, we have a strong tradition of folk dancer, which include Bhangra of Punjab, Bihu of Assam, Jiliang of Nagaland, Chau of Jharkhand, Lavani of Maharashtra. म्यूजिक की बात करें, म्यूजिक एक इंटीग्रल पार्ट है इंडियन कल्चर का, ओल्डेस्ट प्रिजर्व एग्जाम्पल है, राइट? सामवेद जो स्टिल आपके गाया जाता है सर्टेन वैदिक स्ट्रेंथा सेक्रीफाइस में. सामवेदा अदर टेक्स्ट जो हेवनली इन्फ्लुएंस है विद इंडियन क्लासिकल म्यूजिक, जिसे हम 2 स्टाइल में जानते हैं, एक तो कर्नाटिक म्यूजिक और एक हिंदुस्तानी म्यूजिक. तो महाकुंभ जो एक एंशिएंट क्या है, ट्रेडिशन है. इट्स मार्क द हस्टल ऑफ मॉडर्निटी. फ्यू इवेंट्स होल्ड पावर ऑफ ब्रिंग मिलियन ऑफ people together pursuit of something greater than themselves. Mahakumbh Mela is a sacred pilgrim celebrated 4 times over a course of 12 years. Largest peaceful gathering है and draws millions of pilgrims to bath in a sacred river seeking purify themselves from sin and attain liberation. Mahakumbh Mela is deeply embedded in Hindu mythology और ये क्या represent करता है? Most significant gathering of the faith in the world. So 4 location पे होता है, हरिद्वार, उज्जैन, नासिक एंड प्रयागराज. Right from the Ganga to the Shipra, Godavari and confluence of Ganga, Yamuna and your Saraswati in Prayagraj. Sahai Snan, most significant ritual of million Bhati or Triveni Sangam cleans in or attain mocks. Special dates जैसे पौषा पूर्णिमा, मकर संक्रांति, ये क्या करता है? ग्रैंड प्रोसेशन करते हैं सेंट्स का, अक्षरा का. So this was all in this chapter. Hope you understood. Now we will meet in the next class. Thank you.